Hey guys, today I wanted to do a little review on a new silver tank that I just got from Zebra Dry Plates. So I've been using the Lund Photographics bath for 8x10 for a number of years now, and I've actually gone through about 3 of them, and usually what tends to happen is the lids go, they rot out, and also the legs, if you don't have the metal legs, the wooden legs are going to rot out as well after a period of time with dripping silver and such. So I decided to get myself a Zebra tank after watching the video online, and I can see that a lot of thought and effort has gone into the design of it through using it basically, and I like all the features that it has. So let me show you the old Lund tank first of all. This is basically an 8x10 tank made by Lund Photographics, and this is basically the dipping stick, although it's in upside down, but nice large dipping stick, quite nice to use. It's a travelling tank, so you should be able to go down the road in your car, truck, and not have any spillages. So for the most part it's been pretty good. I will say these the hardware on the legs here has gone on both sides, snapped off basically, so it doesn't stand up anymore. And granted, yeah, I've had it for probably a couple of years now, but yeah, it's just, you know, literally on its last legs. So time for trying something new. Now this is a Zebra tank, and I'm quite excited about it. It's a nice sleek slim design. The materials I feel are probably going to stand up to the test of time. It has some printing on the bottom there. Contains silver nitrate. I like those little touches there. It has a flip lid like the old-fashioned tanks, so you're able to put your plate in quickly and flip it closed. That's kind of cool. I really like the dipstick. If you see the dipstick here, there's only 4 points of contact on the plate, which means that chances are you're going to get a lot less contamination. That's one of the things it claims. So I'm going to give that a test very soon and let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I like that. This is, you know, the ultimate traveling tank. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Let me try this. This clips it closed. So I've seen videos of these tanks being submerged underwater, which is quite impressive. Not that I'd be doing that, of course, but it's good to know that they probably are pretty leak proof. And I love this feature here. This feature comes for free. You don't have to pay for it. Lund actually charge for a pouring lid, a separate lid, and you know, that's a pain. You have to store it, you have to remember to take it with you, and it's quite expensive too. I'm kind of excited about this new tank. And another thing that I love is that it has a spout. So I don't know if you guys, when you do silver maintenance, you got to pour out the bath. This thing's going to keep the job really clean, and you're going to save yourself silver spillages because it's very accurate. It also looks like this tank might take about 1/3 less silver than the other one, which means I can split my silver up into more tanks and have more silver in maintenance and keep nice clean work going. So that is an initial look at the new Zebra tank 8x10. Today I am unboxing the Zebra 8x10 wet plate holder version number 2 from Zebra Dry Plates. It's really nicely boxed. It's got a nice sticker on it, and I'm very excited to try this film holder. It's really nicely made. Look at this. It has carbon fiber slide, which is amazing, and what's very unique about it is it has this magnetic back. So rather than a dark slide, basically it's held on with magnets. See that? And the magnets are all along the edge and all around, and it seems to hold things in pretty good. The springs on the back as well hold the glass in place, or whatever material you're using. I actually ordered it with a 5x7 insert, so we'll take that out. But yeah, there you go. It's It's really clean. It has a place to scoop up the wet plate when you're done. Drop it in there. It's got the rounded corners. It's really clean. I really like it. I love the detail on it too. And there was actually an option to have your name engraved on it too. I chose not to do that, but perhaps the next one I might. So anyway, I'm going to give it a clean out, and I'm going to go shoot it today and see what we get. But I'm pretty confident we're going to get some very clean results. Success. There's a 5x7 that I made with the new plate holder that I bought from Zebra Dry Plates in Slovenia, and also the new silver bath that I bought from them as well. And I have to say I love both products for different reasons. I really like the film holder because it's just so well made, and I find that the silver is just rolling off the surface, so it doesn't get absorbed into the film holder, which kind of corrodes. I have Chamonix film holders that I've been using for many years now, and you know, over time the silver just completely ruins them and rots them out. But with this, it repels the silver, and I don't think I'm ever going to have that problem. So this might be the only film holder I ever buy from them, or need to buy from them. Sorry Zebra Dry Plates, but you know, your product's too good. Anyway, there you have it.